Hey there, fellow creatives. Giancarlo Pawelec here, coming to you from Studio 311 here in beautiful downtown Toronto. Today we're going to dive into something I'm really excited about. It's our brand new BenQ SW240 monitor and the SH240 shading hood. A big thanks to BenQ for sending over this display. Now let's talk about specs, because when it comes to professional photography, the details matter. The BenQ SW240 is a 24-inch 16:10 aspect ratio IPS monitor with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. That means we get all the screen real estate we need for high-res images that we create. It covers 99% of the Adobe RGB, 100% of the Adobe sRGB, and 95% of the P3 color space. In simple terms, it means you're getting true-to-life colors in your workflow. Let's open up these boxes and see what's inside. Calibration report. Beautiful. All right, all the cables we need. Display port, HDMI, DVI. Ooh la la. Once that base is on, slides on the top, and then locks in. You want to go vertical. Now the awesome thing about this monitor is, as mentioned earlier during the unboxing, it comes factory calibrated. It is also Pantone validated, which does matter a lot. And lastly, it also has 14-bit 3D LUT for precise color calibration. For connectivity, there's the usual DVI, DisplayPort 1.2, and HDMI 1.4. And as an added bonus, 2 USB 3s, as well as an SD card reader. All in a 24-inch package. And the last piece is the SH240 shading hood for the monitor. This is going to cut out those annoying reflections that you usually get, as well as any ambient light, allowing us to accurately see the images displayed. The 24-inch is ideal for my on-location kit. This BenQ SW240 is perfect. There's no sacrifice in image quality for the portability of what it is. It's small, it's fairly light, it's compact, and we normally would have it on a rolling stand, so we'd have it off this mount itself. But for what it is, including the shading hood, this is phenomenal. One thing to know about the shading hood, other than preventing reflections and ambient light getting in the way of the image in terms of the accuracy of what you see, there's also a nice little cutout, which I'm not sure if you can see, but this little cutout right here allows you to drop a color calibrator depending on what brand or what you use, so that way you don't actually have to take the whole shade off. You just do this, slip it down, and you're good to go. So whether you're a commercial photographer like me, a videographer, or a fellow creative, the BenQ SW240 and the SH240 hood are great pieces of kit to have in your arsenal. Thanks for joining me today, and if you want to learn more about this gear, check the links in the description below. And as always, keep capturing those moments that matter. Until next time, stay creative.